Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this session now, we are going to talk about what are the various issues relevant to our machine learning. There are so many number of issues also there for machine learning. We will notify the main issues of the machine learning. So we see issues in machine learning. We see the first issue. The first issue is what kind of the machine learning algorithm is suitable for existing training examples, existing training data and existing data whatever it is, whatever problem it is. For certain kind of problem, for existing set of the training examples, what algorithm we need to use, it's a big issue. So, what algorithm to be for existing things? The next one is nothing but what kind of the method in the existing thing we need to take for training examples. What method to follow for training examples? What method to follow to learn the training examples? Next, how much training data can be used for existing problem? How much test data can be used? It is also one of the big issue in machine learning. So how many number of the training examples we have to take? How many number of the test examples we have to take? Number of training examples and test set. Next, the number fourth one is what kind of the thing we have to use to reduce the overburden of the learning. In order to control the learning overhead, what kind of the any other methods we need to use. Suppose huge number of the learning also may lead to some kind of the disadvantages. So to reduce that overhead of the learning, what kind of the methods we need to use? And finally, we see for what kind of the data, what kind of the method can be used. We have so many types of the data, that is image data, text data and movies, MP3D, MV, like that, so much of the data. Okay, so the availability of the data, what kind of the machine learning algorithm to be used, what kind of the various methods are to be used. So, according to data, which method is suggestible? So, not only these listed issues, there are so many number of the issues are there for machine learning in the real life. So, we have noted some of the issues, but the solutions are also there to solve those number of the issues. These are primarily notified issues in the machine learning. Thank you.